Good morning, fourth grade. Today, your assignment for writing is to write an opinion piece. An opinion is your thoughts on something, on how you feel about a topic or an idea. And the topic today is technology making us rude? Have you ever been so focused on texting with a friend that you ignored the person sitting right next to you? Technology can be a useful tool, but some people think it's changing the way we behave both online and in person. While we're focused on our devices, have we forgotten good manners? Do smartphones encourage us to choose screen time over quality time with family and friends? Do the comments we make to people online and in text match how we would speak to them face to face? When we interact on screens, it's easy to forget that there's a real person on the other side. So, in this article that you're going to be reading, they've asked two Time for Kids readers, to weigh in or to talk about the debate on this question: is technology making us rude? So, you're going to be reading two 10-year-old students' response. One of them responds, "Oh, yes, I think it's rude." And then they're going to give their ideas why they think it's rude. And then you're going to hear somebody else say, "Oh, no, technology is not rude," and give their response to why they think technology is not rude. So you're going to read the person who agrees that it's rude, the person who says, "No, it's not rude." And then you're going to make your decision. Your decision could include some of their ideas, some of your own ideas. So after you read the article, make up your mind. Do you think technology is making us rude? Or do you think, no, it's not making us rude, it's helping us? I know right now during this time, having to teach online and to interact with you online, we really need it. But let's pretend we didn't have to stay at home and didn't have to have virtual learning. In a day-to-day before all of this happened, what are your thoughts on technology? Whether you say yes or no, it doesn't matter. It's how you back up your ideas. So in your response, you're going to start with your opinion. Yes, I feel that technology is beneficial and it is not making us rude. Or, oh my gosh, technology is just blown out of proportion. It's making everybody rude. It's making them oblivious to people around them. They're losing communication skills. And then you're going to, after your topic sentence, which states whether you are pro for it or con against it, then you're going to give me 2 to 3 reasons why you feel that way. You can take some from the stories, or you can make some of your own. Everybody in here has used technology. Everybody has their own ideas on it. So I want to hear how you write a well-written opinion piece. So you're not going to be graded on whether you are pro for it or con against it, but it's how well you back up or you support your ideas. So after that topic sentence, 2 or 3 reasons why you're for or against it, and then your conclusion. Remember your conclusion? It just reiterates or it restates, yes, this is why technology is a good thing, or, oh, this is why technology has been blown out of proportion and is ruining our kids of today. So I want you to think about it, read what kids have to say, and then write your own opinion. On that opinion, make sure that you're using your best grammar, your punctuation, your indenting, you're using good spelling, and you're taking your time. So it's just one well-written paragraph. So give it some thought, and then I want to hear your opinion.